Good morning, everyone. Welcome to TEMS quiz for the day, which is available in the platform of TEMSera digital learning platform. By participating in this quiz, you can win a prize money of rupees 100 daily. The quiz program is scheduled daily from 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. focused on technological, engineering, mathematical, and science topics. So to participate in this quiz, I will give you the guidance how you can participate in this quiz. Just go to the platform tems.wingsofarrow.in, log in using Google or Facebook. Once you have successfully logged in, you can see the TEMS quiz banner over here. From there, you can either click the banner or you can find the link which will open your new tab. So under this tab, you can find the rules and regulations, quiz rules and regulations. So first of all, I will explain what is quiz rules and regulations. So the quiz is available on daily basis, which I have already told. Only 6 minutes in total duration for attending the quiz. So for each participants will get 6 minutes as a total duration for attending the quiz. The platform will be opened for the participants from 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. That is 15 minutes time the platform will be open and you will be getting only 6 minutes to answer all the 20 questions. So each day each quiz has 20 questions. So you will be having 6 minutes to attend the 20 questions. So one question carries 1 mark. So total mark is 20. Each day only one winner will be awarded rupees 100 who have cracked the quiz questions 20 out of 20. So suppose the maximum number 20 out of 20 who have cracked that person will be awarded as rupees 100 in her direct into her bank accounts. In case if no one have cracked 20 out of 20, then the highest mark will be considered as a winner. That means suppose if you have scored 15 or 16 or 12, so then that maximum mark, right, among the participants will be declared as winner. But there is one condition is there. The minimum mark to be declared as winner need to be 10. Okay, that is 50% of the mark need to be scored by any participants so that it can be said as a pass mark of the quiz. So minimum mark for winner need to be 10. So if the top scorer scored less than 10, then the participants won't be considered as winner of the quiz. Okay, then the participant won't be considered as winner of the quiz. That is, it should not be less than 50%. It should not be less than 50%. If one or more winners score 20 out of 20, if one or more winners have scored 20 out of 20 are the highest mark, then the prize amount will be divided equally. Then the total prize amount will be divided equally. So before attending the quiz, kindly check your internet connectivity and the final decisions will be taken by TEMSera team because it is recording all your sessions, right? If you are having any queries, you can write as to quiz@wingsofarrow.in or you can call to this number. Only one attempt will be considered for the participants. So these are the quiz rules and regulations. So I insist the participants to read the quiz rules and regulations before starting the quiz. So for today's quiz, you need to scroll down and you can find the 2nd May 2021. So it will be opened exactly at 10 a.m. and it will be available only up to 10:15 a.m. So the title of the quiz is Avionics. So here you can find quiz for the day. Now it is hidden, so it will be live at the time when you are going to answer. It is when it is 10 a.m. it will be live. Okay. So quiz for the day. From there you can start attending the quiz. So once you have attended the quiz, you can complete the feedback form and you can get the certificate. So for today's topic, let's get into the quiz, that is avionics. So let's see the first question. What is the temperature measured by a probe on exterior of a moving aircraft? How you will call the temperature? Actually, the name of the temperature, right? How we will be determining that? So, point option A is stagnation temperature. Option B is static temperature. Option C is free stream temperature. Option D is constant temperature. So what is the temperature measured by a probe on the exterior of moving aircraft? So to answer this question, you can log into TEMS Era digital learning platform and you can try to win a prize amount of ₹100 each day. So the next question is, angle between the relative wind and the longitudinal datum line on the fuselage is called as A. Glide angle, B. Angle of attack, C. Flight path angle, D. Relative angle. So to answer this question, log into tems.wingsofaero.in where you can participate and win the prize money. So the third question is, which flight critical system is the angle of attack indicator a part of? The third question is, I am repeating the question. Which flight critical system is the angle of attack indicator as a part of? A. Landing system, B. Stall warning system, C. Airspeed indicator system, D. Rate of climb indicator. So to answer the question, log into tems.wingsofaero.in. What type of beams are used for tactical control panel? Option A, light beams. Option B, micro beams. Option C, laser beams. Option D, matrix array of infrared beams. So to answer the question, log into our TEMS Era digital learning platform. So the fifth question is, what is DVI control means? What is DVI control means? Option A, direct voice input. Option B, digitally vectored input. Option C, digital voice input. Option D, direct vectored input. So you can participate and you can win prize money ₹100 per day by just logging into our TEMS Era digital learning platform. The link is also available in the description. So question 6 for today's quiz is, why is the FBWO system used? Why is the FBWO system used? Option A, for communication in an aircraft. Option B, to control aerodynamically efficient unstable body. Option C, better navigation. Option D, reduced chances of enemy direction. So you can answer to this question and you can earn ₹100 through our TEMS Era digital learning platform. So question 7, which of the following is not a component of the flow system? Option A, communication receiver. Option B, flight control computer. Option C, actuators. Option D, aircraft motion sensor. So you can participate in this quiz through our digital learning platform TEMS Era and you can try to win a prize money of ₹100. Question 8, what type of cable is used in ARNIC 629? A, coaxial cable. B, unscreened twisted pair. C, screened twisted pair. D, parallel lines. So to participate in this quiz program, you can log into TEMS Era digital learning platform. Ninth question, an altitude control loop does not depend on option A, aircraft pitch angle. Option B, angle of attack. Option C, forward velocity. Option D, density of the air. Question number 10. The recovery factor for computing the static temperature does not account for option A, friction heating. Option B, re-radiation. Option C, non-isentrophic compression. Option D, isentrophic compression. 11th question, what is the reason for using CRT instead of LCD or LED displays in a pilot's cockpit? So option A, to meet the required brightness level. Option B, cheap to manufacture. Option C, low energy of operation. Option D, lightweight. So you can answer to this quiz question in our Thames.wingsofaero.in platform. Question number 12. What are the sensors used in the combination with a raster mode HUD? Option A, GPS. Option B, LiDAR. Option C, radar and forward looking infrared. Option D, microwave radar. Question number 13. Which does not affect the inertial forces felt by the pilot when accelerating or decelerating? Option A, positioning CG with the pivoting point of head. Option B, reduce the weight of the helmet. Option C, keeping the head in the upright position. Option D, reduce the moment of inertia about yaw and pitch axis. Question number 14. Autopilot was first invented by option A, Lawrence Perry. Option B, William Boeing. Option C, Nikola Tesla. Option D, Wright brothers. So which is the option correct? You can answer these quiz questions through our digital learning platform Thames.wingsofaero.in. Question number 15. What is the first satellite navigation system? Option A, Navic. Option B, Transit 1. Option C, Doris. Option D, Clonus. Question number 16. What is the reason for the importance of calibrated airspeed? Option A, direct measure of impact pressure. Option B, direct measure of absolute pressure. Option C, direct measure of gauge pressure. Option D, direct measure of differential pressure. So to answer this question, log into our Thames.wingsofaero.in platform. Question number 17. What is the abbreviation of PCU in flying controls? Option A, pressure control unit. Option B, power control unit. Option C, progressive care unit. Option D, program coordination unit. Question 18. Optical gyroscope measures. What actually optical gyroscope measures? Option A, angular rate of rotation. Option B, angular momentum. Option C, relative velocity. Option D, angular velocity. So to answer this question, participate in this question, quiz questions, you can log into Thames.wingsofaero.in. Question number 19. What is the principle of ring interferometer? A, Magnus effect. B, acoustic optic effect. C, Dole effect. D, snag effect. Question 20. What type of cable does military standard 1553 use? Option A, coaxial cable. Option B, single twisted pair cable with shielding. Option C, single twisted pair cable without shielding. Option D, fiber optic cable. You can participate in this question before 10:15 AM through our platform Thames.wingsofaero.in. So the answers to today's quiz will be available in the description soon. After the end of the day, it will be available in the description. So daily Wings of Aero will be organizing a Thames quiz for the day program. So you can participate on any day and any time at the prescribed time, actually 10 AM to 10:15 AM. So you can participate. If you want to know what is the topic in the next day, you have to follow our pages and subscribe to Wings of Aero channel. Thank you.